Today I am actually in Coffeeville up in Jackson, Wisconsin. It's a great place to come and sip a nice cup of coffee, and they got great sandwiches, so it's all-in-one. And even if you're driving by, you know, make a stop and you won't regret it. So last week alone, we commissioned a P25-2 and we added ancillary equipment, and that's what I want to show you today. What you can add onto your machine that you can automate the P25. We're going to show you the Green Bean feed first, and then we're going to show you the Destoner after that. So this is a Green Bean feeder, you guys. For those who don't know, you pretty much dump the green bean here, so now you don't need to climb up to put it up on the hopper. And once you dump it in here, you hit the start button, the bean will eventually travel up, and then it charges the bean. After that, you roast your bean. If you notice, we just finished roasting a batch. It's sitting right here, and this is going to go into the Destoner. Then it pulls the bean up, and down here, if you notice, is where the stone or any debris that the foreign object that shouldn't be on the bean would stay. And once all the bean is transferred here, this is the slide gate that we would pull out, and then the bean would fall off. So if you notice, there's no ladders needed. And also, one thing I forgot that I'm going to mention right now is that when I said automation, you can actually have the automation when it comes to the discharge gate automated, and some companies tend to use the water quenching system again. So all this can be pneumatically operated. Obviously, you would need a panel with it. We can help you with that as well. So when you add these other ancillary equipments, you're cutting your time, which will increase productivity in your plant or your business. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time.